That was a great thing. That's great. Buenos dias. That was a great thing together. It was a great thing together, honey. It was just a great thing together. That was a great thing together. It was a great thing together. It was me. That's great. Buenos dias.
你好，凯兰。
I hope you like it. She hopes you like it. That was a great thing together.
谢谢凯兰。
De nada.
Hush, hush. Be very quiet. So very quiet. Hush, hush. Listen up, but put your ears to me now that you hear.
Well, I don't hear a plunk, not a plunk, or a plunk, or a crash, boom, dog. It's way too quiet.
In the land of hush, there's never any rush. We tiptoe and we walk and shh when we talk. In the land of hush, in the moment away from a sleepy time dream to a brand new day when you're quiet.
So very quiet.
You can calm what you're thinking in your head. And when you're quiet, so very quiet, you'll feel warm and fuzzy like a cozy comfy bed. We feel warm
And fuzzy like a cozy comfy bed.
in the land of hush, with a moment away from a sleepy time dream to a brand new day. In the land of hush, you sleep tight through the night. You're blink and awake from a morning light.
That's right. Gracias. That was a great thing together. I really like it. It was a great thing together. That was a great thing together. It was a great thing together. That was a great thing together. Shh. Hush, hush. Be very quiet. So very quiet. Shh. Hush, hush.
Listen up, I'll put your ears down. Now do you hear? Well, I don't hear a plunk, not a plunk, or a plunk, or a crash, boom, dunk. It went too quiet.
In the land of hush, there's never any rush. We tiptoe and we walk and shh when we talk. In the land of hush, in the moment away
From a sleepy time dream to a brand new day when you're quiet, so very quiet. You can go where you're thinking in your head.
And when you're quiet, so very quiet, you feel warm and fuzzy like a cozy comfy bed. We feel warm and fuzzy like a cozy comfy bed. In the land of hush, with a moment away from a sleepy time dream to a brand new day. In the land of hush, you sleep tight through the night.
You're a blink and awake from a morning light.
What's a great thing together? It was a great thing together. Buenos dias.
Ni hao, Kai Lan.
What have you been doing together? That's a great thing together. I really got it. It was a great thing together.
We're building something really, really special. Do you want to see it?
Oh, that's okay. I'm great. That was a great thing together. Vamos!
Follow me.
Hush, hush. Be very quiet. So very quiet. Hush, hush.
Listen up, I've put your ears down.
me now, do you hear? Well, I don't hear a clunk, not a plunk, or a plunk, or a crash, boom,
Don't get way too quiet.
in the land of hush.
There's never any rush. We tiptoe and we walk and shh when we talk in the land of hush.
In a moment away from a sleepy time dream to a brand new day when you're quiet, so very quiet. You can calm what you're thinking in your head.
And when you're quiet, so very quiet, you feel warm and fuzzy like a cozy comfy bed.
We feel warm and fuzzy like a cozy comfy bed.
In the land of hush, with a moment away from a sleepy time dream to a brand new day. In the land of hush, you sleep tight through the night. You're a blink and a wink from the morning